Guys, welcome to your Thursday of reading groups. Okay, so we're going to go through some of our sight words that we're going to be working on next week. So the first one is few. Like I only have a few pens in my hand, not a lot, just a few. Night, it is not nighttime right now. Loudly, make sure you talk loudly. And window, that right there is a window. Okay, so few, night, loudly, window. Okay, you guys try it. My first one is, say it, spell it, say it again. This word is, spell it, say it again. This word says, spell it, say it again. And our last word is, spell it, and say it again. So one more time, it is few, night, loudly, window. Okay, let's try some of those words on this side. When I slide my finger, see if you can tell me what the sight word says. Okay, so those words were few, night, loudly, window. Try this word, or this row. When I'm sliding my finger, make sure you're saying those words. Okay, night, few, window, loudly. Try this row. Door, old, want, more. Last row. Okay, so those ones were try, wash, use, mother. All right, next up is our sounds, and we've got two new sounds that we're going to be practicing next week, okay? This sound is what I like to call my pirate sound, and a pirate says R, okay? So my sound says R. So my card is artist, sound R, spelling A-R. A-R can come at the beginning of a word like an artist. It can come in the middle of a word like mark, or it can come at the end of a word like far, far away. Okay, so your turn. My card is, my sound is, and my spelling is. Okay, and this card, my new one, is my seal card. It's my seal sound. Or. A seal says or. Okay, so my card is orange, sound or, spelling O-R, and this sound also says or, like my seal card, or like my seal sound, and spelling is O-R-E. Okay, so your turn. My card is, my sound is, spelling, sound, or, spelling. Okay, so this or sound can come at the beginning of a word, like in orange. It can come at the middle of a word, like in form, or it can come at the end of a word, like in for. What do you, where, let me see, how can I use for in a sentence? We are doing this for you, okay? But then O-R-E can only come at the end of a word, okay? Like in more or sore, okay? So your turn. My card is sound, spelling, sound, spelling. Okay, and then with these sounds we've had before. So my card is eagle, sound E, spelling E, sound E, spelling E, consonant E, sound E, spelling E-E, and sound E, spelling E-A. Your turn. My card is sound, spelling, sound, spelling, sound, spelling, sound, and spelling. Okay, and this one is my acorn, sound A, spelling A, consonant E, sound A, spelling A-I, sound A, spelling A-Y at the end. Your turn. My card is sound, spelling, sound, spelling, sound, spelling. Okay, your turn. Next one. My card is ocean, sound O, spelling O, sound O, spelling O, consonant E, sound O, spelling O-A, sound O, spelling O-W. Your turn. My card is sound, spelling, sound, spelling, sound, spelling, sound, and spelling. Okay, and my last card is my elephant card, where we have E saying and sound and spelling E, sound spelling EA, and that's going to happen in the middle of a word. Okay, so my card is sound, spelling, sound, spelling. All right, next up, let's try some of those sounds on this paper now. Okay, we've got those new sounds. Here's that seal, what a seal says. Pirate. Okay, so you should have said or, R, O. Try this one. Okay, so on this row, you should have said or, or, R. Okay, sound. Okay, so those ones are E, or, R. Okay, and try the last row. The short sound of this one says, and the long sound says. Okay, so O, short sound says long sound E, E. Okay, let's try a couple words on our board real quick to practice that pirate sound. Okay, so my sound is, and AR says, R. So my word is far. Sound, sound, blend it. My word is arm. Next one, sound, sound, blend it. Sound, blend it. My word is yard. And my last one, sound, sound, blend it. My word is art. Okay, so one more time. Those words are, when I slide my finger, tell me what they are. Okay, so they were far, arm, yard, art. Notice where AR comes. It can come at the end of a word, like in far, the beginning of a word, like in arm, or the middle of a word, like in yard. Okay, let's try those words on this paper now. When I slide my finger, tell me what they are. Same words that were on my board a minute ago. Okay, this row, AR saying, so my word is dark, hard, marks, sharks. Okay, try that last row again. Okay, and let's do all of them one more time. Here we go. When I'm sliding, you're reading. Okay, let's try them on this side. When I slide my finger, tell me what that word is. That one was far, arm, yard, and the last one, art. Try this row. Dark, hard, marks, sharks. Okay, compound word. The first word says, the second word says, now put it together. So my word is, my first one was wind, mill, and when I put it together, it says windmill. Okay, this word. Boasted. EA is going to have that short sound, so the word is meant. EA has the short sound, so the word is bread. Down here, remember ER says and then we have EA, which says so my word is feather. Okay, two words. My first one is, my second word is, and now blend it together. So the first one was rail, second one was road, And when I blend it together, it says railroad. Okay, another compound word. The first one says, the second one says, blend it together. Okay, so the first one was play, and then pen, playpen. Okay, last word, roast. All right, next up, grab yourself your marker board and a marker, and we're going to get ready to spell 4 words. Okay, first one, windmill. A windmill makes energy for our city. So if you look up in the foothills, you see those big windmills. Windmill. The first word in windmill is wind, w-i-n-d, and then mill, m-i-l. Don't forget to double up that ul. Okay, so the word was windmill. Next one, boasted. Boasted means to brag about yourself. So I boasted about my cartwheel. Boasted. B-O. What 2 letters make O in the middle? Look at my ocean card over there if you need help. O-st. So that was boast is your base word. And then what ending, what suffix do you need to put on that says id? Boasted. Okay, the next one, meant. I meant to say that. Meant. The 2 letters on my elephant card that say nt. Meant. Okay, and the last one is bread. I loves bread. The 2 letters that say on my elephant card, and then d. Bread. So one more time, those words were windmill, boasted, meant, and bread. When you're done with those 4 words, bring them on over to me. I'll take a look at them. And then your book for today is called Rosebud. So make sure you read that 2 times. And then when you're finished with that, you can hop on over and choose something in room 1 off the bookshelf.